Well, we're here at Coal Creek, and King County is working along with the City of Bellevue on replacing a sewage pipe that runs along this creek through this beautiful park. It collects sewage from the surrounding homes and conveys it away, but it's old and it's in need of replacement.
Our system is aging. That means it's more prone to failure, more prone to causing environmental problems. So this is the kind of work we're going to have to be doing throughout our county.
We're not just going to replace it. Our staff has worked creatively to find ways to use this project as an opportunity to improve the habitat here, improve the ecosystem for salmon in this creek, to make it so the water can be colder and cleaner, and ultimately achieved a Salmon-Safe Certification, the first in the nation for a wastewater project.
All the ecological function that happens in that area could potentially be impacted negatively by normal construction practices. And that's why using Salmon-Safe standards and Salmon-Safe construction practices allow this area to be protected and restored to what it was like pre-settlement. Our team got involved very early in design. We worked with our third-party science team who came out, looked at the project, looked at the species that are out here, and then wrote a detailed report on how to protect them during construction and design of this project.
Bellevue is slated to grow considerably in the next 20 years. We're expecting 70,000 new residents. So we really have to continue to invest in the infrastructure, whether it's the wastewater treatment or even maintaining that parks to people ratio, and create a recreational facility that will sustain itself over time and be more accommodating for people with disabilities.
It's a beloved trail network, and so as we are replacing needed infrastructure for the people who live here, we're also providing recreation, environmental benefits, and habitat restoration, along with maintaining clean water.
It's really confirmation that we're doing the right thing. The Salmon-Safe Certification says that the way in which we are marshaling our resources to deal not just with the wastewater pipe, but also with improving the health of the creek is the right approach. That is the entire approach of our Clean Water Healthy Habitat program, to take all of these varied investments in clean water and to focus them so that we get multiple benefits, rather than having each of these happen in silos and disconnected from one another. Our staff has been so creative in figuring out how to use this investment as an opportunity to permanently improve this place for people and for fish.